Have you ever said something that you immediately wished you could take back? One wrong sentence and everything changes. But did you know that the right English words can actually save a relationship? In today's story, you are going to learn over 10 useful English words and phrases naturally. This story of Ethan and Sophia will help you improve your vocabulary and your communication. Stay with me until the end to level up your English. It was a Tuesday evening. Ethan came home exhausted, shoulders heavy, mind foggy. Sophia had been waiting. She had something on her heart. She started to speak, but Ethan was staring at his phone. He nodded, but he never really heard her. Sophia felt invisible. She had been patient, but patience has a breaking point. She said, "You never listen to me. You are so annoying." Ethan said nothing. He didn't argue. He didn't defend himself. He just closed his eyes, put his phone down, and walked to the bedroom. The door clicked shut, and that sound was louder than any fight. The room was dark. Ethan was asleep, but Sophia lay awake, replaying the fight in her mind. She thought, were my words fair? Did I say what I felt? Or just what would hurt him most? She picked up her phone and read a quote. Words are not just sounds, they are seeds. Some grow into walls, some grow into bridges. The next morning, the kitchen smelled like coffee. Ethan was standing by the window, still distant. Sophia walked up slowly. She took a deep breath. Then she spoke softly and carefully. She said, "I've been feeling really overwhelmed lately, and I just need you to hear me." Ethan turned to look at her. Something in her voice was different. Not angry, not blaming, just honest. He put his phone down. He listened when Sophia spoke without anger. Ethan finally spoke without walls. He said, "I'm sorry. I wasn't ignoring you. I've just been drowning in my own head. I should have told you." Sophia's eyes softened. She had expected more silence, not this. They talked for the first time in weeks. Not perfect, but honest, and that was enough. A few days later, it happened again. Ethan forgot their dinner plans. The old words were ready to come out. "You never care about me." But she stopped herself. She said instead, "I need you to be more present for me." This hurt. Ethan looked at her. "No defense? No excuses?" He said, "I want to do better." No fight. No walls. Just connection. Love doesn't need perfect people. It needs kind words. Let's do a quick recap of what we learned today. Exhausted means very tired. Patience means staying calm. Replaying means thinking again and again. Distant means emotionally cold. Overwhelmed means having too much stress. Present means focusing on the person you are with. One sentence can break a heart. One sentence can save it. Which one will you choose today? Write the word ready in the comments. If you learned something new today, follow Fluent English Studio for more stories. I will see you in the next one.